Thin curtains, summer light, the smell of linnered trees coming through the open window.
From the kitchen, the radio, your mum at the stove.
Inca, Rama, bread. She doesn't ask what your plans are. She already knows you have none.
Down in the courtyard, they're already there. They're always already there.
You don't say goodbye. She knows you'll be back for dinner. Maybe.
The door swings open. The summer hits you. And they're both grinning like idiots.
The steelworks never sleep. Day and night, the smoke. You've stopped noticing it. It's just the horizon.
Platz Centrale, the center of everything. Someone always has an opinion about where to go. Nobody ever agrees.
Frugo, 50 grozies. The best thing money can buy in the summer of 1993.
5 minutes from the estate, another world. The meadows, long grass and wild flowers, and the whole afternoon stretching.
The Zalab. The whole city comes here when it gets like this. You find 3 square meters of bank and call it yours. The water's cold. You knew it would be cold. You go in anyway. You always go in anyway.
Bar styly. Biggish and compute for almost nothing. Your friend is in the middle of a story he's told 4 times this summer. You let him tell it. The Klatka. When it gets too dark to stay outside and too warm to go back in. This is your spot. It's everyone's spot.
And then the sky does this. Every evening. Like it's putting on a show just for Nova Havda.
You've seen this sunset 1,000 times. You will never get tired of it. The last bonfire of August. You don't talk about it, but everyone knows. You walk home. The city is quiet, but it's a full quiet, a satisfied quiet, the kind that only happens on a summer night when nothing went wrong. You don't know it yet. You can't know it yet.
And the whole summer is still ahead of you.